So today I'm going to show you how to get this look. Felt pretty good. Just festival vibes. Festival vibes. Like this eye. So it's pretty much finished. All I need to do is add eyeliner. So I'm going to start on the other eye first. So I'm going to take the Ultra Eyeshadows by Revolution. It's called Eyes Like Angels. This colour here. Just to prep the eye on just a fluffy brush that looks like this. And put it in and put it all over the lid basically. So I'm just going to use this mirror, patting this all over the eye lid, and then if you take it a little bit up the crease, just to give that smooth look. So once that's nice and prepped, I have put makeup on my face as well. You can either do this step before or after the eyeshadow, it's completely up to you. I'm going to go in with a light blue. I take this from another Revolution palette. So this is actually called Mermaids vs Unicorn. And I'm going to use the light blue here, this one here. And then I'm just going to take a MAC 194 brush and pat this straight down the middle of my eye. So straight down here. So you want to get it in the middle. The section here is where I'm going to put the blue. You put a lot on your brush, tap it off, and then do a line in the middle of your eyelid. And then all you do is just build it up. And just keep building it up until you're happy with the colour of the pigment. Then I'm just going to take a Zoeva 227 brush to like blend it out slightly. I will then take this Naked 3 Urban Decay brush. Yeah, so I'm going to take that, going back to the other palette, the Eyes Like Angels, and I'm going to use this royal blue colour here to make it more pigmented. Just dip that brush in here on both sides, tap the excess off, just pat this next to what you've just done. Like, look how royal blue this is. It's so pigmented, it's beautiful. So you just do this as a stripe as well, and then blend the colours at the top of your eyeshadow. So basically we've got the blue section pretty much done. I'm just going to bring this straight down to the bottom. Make sure it hits your upper lashes so there's no gaps in that. How I've done this eye is I started in the middle and worked my way to the outer corner. So it's light blue here, royal blue, and then here is all purple. And then this side is light green, and then a shimmer green, like this side here. So we want to make it as pretty much the same on either side. So I'm going to take purple from this palette. It's just this glitter light purple here. I'm going to pack that in until I get like an angle effect on my eye. And then I'm going to take the Zoeva brush, the 227, and just blend it out at the top so it looks a bit softer. Now we go on to the green. So I start off with the inner corner here for the green, and then back on this palette I use the lightest green in the palette and do the corners. So it looks like this. blend that up. I'm going to use the same brush and use the green next to the lightest green, and then just tap the excess off on this one and then just pop it in between. This needs a lot of build up to show the difference in colour. And then I'm also just going to go back over that blue to make it blend a bit more. So before I add any glitter to it, I'm going to take this fine liner brush by Zoeva in 315 and just add a tiny bit of gold in the corner of my eye. So for this I'm using the Huda Beauty palette, and it's the shade Nefetti, I think how you say this. It's this shade here. So I'm just going to take a little bit on this brush, tap the access and add this into the corners of my eyes. I'm also going to go back in with that royal blue brush and take this under the eye. Now for the glitter eyeshadow, I use NYX Golden Shimmer in shade green. I'm just going to put this where the darker bit of green is on the eye. So it just looks like a little roller head, and I'm just going to literally take a line of this, a couple of lines down and put it on. So that gives your green the nice glitter we want. And then for the blue glitter, I actually put on nail glitter. So it looks like this, and it's called Too True No. 3 Kimberly, but it's actually for your nails. And oh my god, glitter always goes everywhere when I do this. And then I'm just going to pop this over the blue. I'm going to use an angled brush and literally just take the angle of the brush and dab it into the blue section. You will have to build this up. Does anyone find when they use glitter, like you see it for days after? That's what's going to happen here. But it's all good, guys. Love a bit of glitter. And then we're going to use the purple glitter as well. So I use Unicorn Paint Glow, which looks like this. You can get it in Superdrug. I've got it in blue and I've got it in silver as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. You can put this anywhere on your body. So these are good for like festivals and stuff. See, it comes out way too much. But you only need, because you want to smear it around, take a little bit like this, and then you want to gently tap it onto the purple. So this is wet glitter, so you want to just smear it up and around. You don't need much. So it looks like this. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Steve Laurent eyeliner pen, and it's in black. Looks like this. So I'm just going to line my eyes. And I'm just going to take the Real Benefit mascara and pop these over my lashes. So this is my finished look.
for watching, guys. I hope you liked my mini tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!